Hi, I'm the RC Hunter, and this is a quick update on my LED lights in my car. They're finally done, all tucked away, nice and tidy, and here we are. So right then, so this is the blue what I've got. Just show you in this side. You can either change it to red, green, purple, orange, yellow, all different sort of colours. Let's have some different flashing. Oh, it's just so cool. Show you that. Wow, this is awesome. Put it on this one. And the last one. So this is the remote control I'm using. It's flashing. So yeah, it's just normal. Put it on blue because my car's blue. And there we go, yeah. So that's it. Me LED lights are now properly installed. And they look really good. A little disco. Looks awesome. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like it. Tell me what you think. And I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.